Fix in 5. P0267. P0267 means the fuel injector for cylinder 3 isn't receiving the correct. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Ignore it long enough, and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, ML, illuminated, verify with OBD2 scanner, read freeze frame data, cylinder 3 misfires at idle or under load, verify with test drive, note RPM and load conditions, rough idle. Now the most likely causes. Loose or corroded fuel injector harness connector, connection resistance, typically 0.5 to 2 ohms. Corrosion increases to 5 plus omega, damaged wiring or short in cylinder 3 injector circuit. Verify continuity across harness using multimeter. Look for pinched or cracked insulation near cylinder head. Faulty fuel injector solenoid coil, Denso 2970041 or equivalent, in most cases. Here's how a pro pins it down. Repair or replace damaged wiring/connectors to cylinder 3. Replace the faulty cylinder 3 fuel injector. Repair harness faults, short, open circuit, or high resist. Refit or clean ECM/PCM plugs to ensure positive contact. Replace ECM/PCM only if confirmed defective, rare. What does it cost? Roughly €70, €120 doing it yourself, or €180, $350 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Clean or replace faulty fuel injector. Repair or replace damaged wiring and connectors. Reprogram or replace ECM if faulty. Replace injector relay or fuse. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0267 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0267 are DIY-friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0267. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.